Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, back with a motivational video. Motivational Monday. This is Monday morning. Come on, I hope everyone's going to have the best week. I know a lot of things are starting up. It's the, first full week after the New Year's. And I know most of the colleges are starting up. I know high school in Fort Lauderdale's starting up, so a lot of things are starting up. I was having a conversation with my friend's son. Went over their house last night. Had some pollo. If this is just don't just float through your stuff. Don't just float through. Try to be excellent. This is illustrated. I was telling my friend's son, we were talking to him. He's a junior in high school. Really good kid. He's in the honors, ace classes. He's just a really good kid. Really good kid. He's a junior. He's gonna try to go to Florida State and Tallahassee. Me and his father lived in Tallahassee. I was enrolled in Florida State University. Mark was at Tallahassee Community College for a little bit. And one of our roommates, Rob, for 1 year there, we had a four-bedroom house. Pretty crazy house. We'll have stories of that someday. But our friend Rob would go to class. Like, I just didn't see it. I would be too lazy. I was in my floating through stuff phase. But specifically, I specifically remember, going out partying on a weeknight, of course, and then I might have dozed off for an hour or two in the living room. I was watching TV. I was, just ate up, hungover. And then I see Rob leaving the house. I said, what are you doing? He said, I'm going to class. And I'm like, this guy. I don't know, it just didn't really, that happened often. Then he would come back and I would still be sitting there on the couch. And, he took care of his responsibilities. He didn't just float through everything. I really wish I would have done something similar and not just floated through. I was there at Florida State enrolled for a little bit and I just wasn't going to class. And then I dropped out, and I just don't understand why I didn't give it my all back then. And there's, I didn't really give it my all in a lot of things till recently. But, if you're gonna, for anybody doing any college courses or doing anything, just anything actually, your job, your hobbies, doing anything, from my personal experience, I've been the most happy when I look back on things. Like I was saying at dinner last night or whatever, I was saying, I'm most happy when I laser focused in on my CPA exam, my CPA license, specifically the CPA exams, because I pretty much never had that laser focus before. It was exceptional. I didn't know if I could handle the task, and I handled it. When I was really studying, maybe it was for about a year, I was just studying. Or was it a year and a half? But I was just studying. I didn't hang out with friends. I didn't go to social functions. I didn't do anything but, what I had to do, work or or whatever, but I did incorporate exercise. But anything I didn't do, I wanted it so bad, and I didn't just float through things, because that wasn't going to get me there anymore. That doesn't make me happy. I went so hard on it, and that's really all I did. I had this laser focus, and now when I look back at that time, I'm like, how did I do that? That was so awesome. Like, and I'm 40 now, and I went laser focus for a year and a half, and then it's over. If I didn't go laser focus on it, maybe I'd still be doing it, or I don't know. Another thing that I went in laser focus, why I'm saying 2017 was my year of passion, is because I said about the end of May of 2017, you know, tax season's over in April, so I had the month of May to kind of reflect. Actually, I had a new girlfriend then, so that was cool. But anyways, the end of May, I said to myself, well, and I think I mentioned it to a couple people. Specifically, I remember telling my dad, yeah, I said, I'm going to go hard. I'm going to go hard on YouTube this half of the year. I didn't even think that was daily. At the time, I thought 5 days, but I moved into daily, and I'm still doing daily. Yeah, I mean, now I look back and I'm like, I don't even remember the last 6-7 months. It's just such a blur, and I've been having so much fun with this YouTube, and yeah, I haven't been doing really anything else. I've been YouTubing and exercising. That's really about it. And working on my business. I haven't been working on my business that much, but I have. Now it's going to have to flip the script, and I'm going to get laser focused on my business now. You know, I was laser focused on my business now, and now I'm reaping the fruits of my labor. Don't just float through. Maybe you're just starting out college, maybe you're in your second semester. Maybe you started last August and you didn't really try that hard, and you don't know if you can do it. Just try your hardest. You can definitely do it. Just try. Don't worry about everything else. Just get it done. Yeah, I hope everyone has a great Monday. I hope everyone follows through with their goals. I hope everyone stays positive. I did a good job of staying positive today. I said, I'm going to be positive. I got to be nice. But yeah, just don't float through your whole life. Like, that's not going to get you anywhere. I get the most value when I can give back. And from, I'd say definitely, I really say from about 16 to 30 something, 16 to 32, 33, 34. I just floated through. I never really wanted to be great at anything except being a drug addict, which I guess I was good at one thing, ingesting an incredible amount of drugs. That's, I guess, my talent. What a talent, right? I feel the best. I just feel the best, the most warmth inside when I can help somebody, when I give back. In my head, the only reason why, how I can make 15, 20 years of just drug addict, just floating through life, not having any passion, being very depressed. If I can make that not a complete waste of my life, I can try to just relate my experiences in my YouTube videos and try to help through my games played, my GP, I don't want you to waste 16, 15, 20 years of your life floating through being a drug addict. It's not as fun. If I could go back, which I can, and that's fine, I'm trying to do the best I can right now by helping you. If I could go back, I would have got an accounting degree, been a CPA right out of high school. 20, so what I would have, could have been a CPA at 23, 24 years old. Instead, I was a CPA at 37. So I would have just liked to ramp up everything I did by 13, 14 years. Because, you know what I mean? Because here I am 40. I'm doing stuff that I have an emotional level of a teenager, because I stopped growing emotionally at like 15 years old. And I guess I've not drinking or whatever for about 5 years, so I have emotional level of about a 20-year-old now. I wish that, because now I'm just building my business. I'm 40 years old. I'm just building my business now. And it's like, you know what, I'm going to buy my house. I just wish I would have done this stuff in my early 20s instead of my early 30s. And yeah, that's what I wish. I hope this video helps somebody. I hope you guys have a great Monday. I am truly blessed to just even have a platform that I can inspire and help people. And you know, I really hope someone can say, gosh, this guy, he made a lot of mistakes and he's just trying to help. So, y'all have a blessed day. This is CPA Strength. Till tomorrow at 8 a.m. Deuces.